Okay, I'm revising the previous lesson today. Um, uh, let's see the days of the week in Korean and Amharic. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I think you will be able to remember in Korean as well as in Amharic after this lesson. Uh, Monday in Korean is 월요일, Tuesday is 화요일, Wednesday 수요일, Thursday 목요일, Friday 금요일, Saturday 토요일, Sunday 일요일. So what you have to notice from this is that in all case there is like 요일, 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 요일. So which means you have to remember only the first ones. 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. If you remember those, you just have to add 요일, 요일 to each of them. So practice by yourself when you go to Amharic one. So in the case of Amharic, I think there is no sequence, or like the flow is different from the Korean one, obviously. So 생요, 막생요, ረቡዕ, ሐሙስ, ዓርብ, ቅዳሜ, እሁድ. This is how it is pronounced. I think we just have to practice this one. Let's go to the So I just need you to remember this. 월 describes the date in Korean, while 달 used to count months. Let's see. So the numbers, knowing the numbers in Korean helps to learn how to remember the months in Korean. So I think the first thing is we have to learn the numbers in Korean. Yeah. So I guess you have maybe practiced or maybe you already know, but I will just remind you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 1 to 12. If now I can give you some tips. For example, if you know ship 10 and ill, this one here, it is 1. So 10 plus 1, it's 11 here. So shipil. If you want to say 12, then 10 plus 2, e, ship e. For example, if you want to say 20, you have to just reverse it. First 2 and 10. So 2 is e here, e, ship is 20. For example, if you want to say 30, first take 3, sum, and ship, which means 30. For example, if you want to say 15, in this case, you should take 10 first, ship, and then go for 5 here, O. 10 plus 5, that is ship O. So you can practice like that. It's very easy. Another way of counting in Korean is, which is less common, I guess. They use it for like time, counting for time, something like that. But most often they use 일이, 삼, 사오. So this is 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, Tosat, Yasat, Ilkop, Yadal, Ahop, Yal, Yalhana, Yaltu. So in this case also, like, Yal is 10, right? So 10 plus 1, Hana, is 11. So I think I don't think you need to know more than this, but if you want to practice how to relate it with counting time, you need additional study, I guess. So numbers in Amharic: አንድ ሁለት ሶስት አራት አምስት ስድስት ሰባት ስምንት ዘጠኝ አስር አስራ አንድ አስራ ሁለት. Here is like we say አስር is 10, so it comes here like asra, then plus 1 and, so 11. Again, asra means referring for 10, then plus 2 is 12. So you just have to practice. አንድ ሁለት ሶስት አራት አምስት ስድስት ሰባት ስምንት ዘጠኝ አስር አስራ አንድ አስራ ሁለት. I think I'm fast. Okay, let me say it again. አንድ ሁለት ሶስት አራት አምስት ስድስት ሰባት ስምንት ዘጠኝ አስር አስራ አንድ አስራ ሁለት. Okay, let's go to the next lesson. Months in Korean. So now we know how to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in Korean. Il, I, so forget the red ones, just the numbers. Il, I, Sam, Sa, O, U, Chil, Pal, Gu, Ship, Ship Il, Ship I. So if you remember the numbers, you just have to add wal on all of them. Then that's the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, everything. Ilwal, Iwal, Samwal, Sawal, Uwal, Uwal, Chilwal, Palwal, Guwal, Shiwal, Shipilwal, Shipiwal. It's easy, right? You just have to remember the numbers. Here I put as a reference. So practice these numbers, then you have to add only wal, then that's the months. That's it. This is lesson for today. I'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe if you like the videos. I will prepare very simplified version of Korean and the Amharic lesson. On my next video, I will add how to say months in Amharic as well. I'll see you. Goodbye.